Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a brand new contender in the commercial van segment, the all 2025 Toyota HiAce. Let's jump right in and see what this workhorse has to offer. The 2025 HiAce boasts a powerful new 2.8L turbo diesel engine, providing ample grunt for hauling cargo or tackling tough terrains. This engine is paired with a smooth-shifting 6-speed automatic transmission, optimizing both performance and fuel efficiency. Speaking of efficiency, Toyota has equipped the HiAce with a range of features to keep those fuel costs down. These include start-stop technology and an eco mode that adjusts engine settings for optimal mileage. But performance isn't just about the engine. The HiAce features a robust suspension system designed for maximum comfort and stability, whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating bumpy city streets. Now, let's talk about design. The 2025 HiAce sheds the boxy look of previous generations, adopting a more modern and stylish exterior. The new headlights and grille give it a more aggressive stance, while the overall silhouette remains functional and spacious. Moving inside, the focus is clearly on driver and passenger comfort. The cabin is thoughtfully designed with ample legroom, headroom, and storage compartments. The driver's seat offers multiple adjustments for optimal positioning, and the high seating provides excellent visibility. Toyota hasn't skimped on technology either. The HiAce comes equipped with a user-friendly infotainment system with features like touchscreen controls, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, keeping you connected and entertained on the go. Safety is paramount, especially for a commercial vehicle. The 2025 HiAce comes loaded with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. This includes features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control, all working together to keep you and your cargo safe. Now, what makes the HiAce stand out? Here are a couple of unique selling points. The HiAce offers a variety of cargo configurations to suit your specific needs. Whether you need maximum cargo space or a dedicated passenger area, there's a HiAce to fit the bill. Toyota reliability. Toyota is renowned for its reliability, and the HiAce is no exception. With a reputation for durability and low maintenance costs, the HiAce is built to last. So, there you have it, folks. The all-new 2025 Toyota HiAce is a compelling option for those seeking a powerful, efficient, and comfortable work van. With its impressive features, focus on safety, and legendary Toyota reliability, the HiAce is sure to redefine your expectations of a commercial vehicle. If you're in the market for a new work van, definitely check out the 2025 Toyota HiAce. It might just be the perfect workhorse for you. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the 2025 Toyota HiAce. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews.